I'm Arun Kumar Bharadwaj. I'm a faculty of Sociology and Science and Technology at Bariar IAS Academy. See, UPSC examination is a competitive examination and therefore it is fundamentally different from the academic exams. In addition, because it is a long drawn process of 3 stages, civil services exam is really a test of character, your mental ability, mental alertness, your ability to assimilate, clarity of thought, variety and depth of interest. These are some of the characters that are tested by UPSC as mentioned in the notification itself. So unlike a conventional exam, this is really an exam of character, and that is what is tested across all 3 stages. Remember, this is a journey and this is there to build you. Every hardship that you are going to face, whether inside the exam hall or outside it, is only going to make you better as an aspirant, as a person. So I myself have been an aspirant for 6 years, having reached multiple stages, multiple times, different stages at multiple times. And I've also been teaching for UPSC examination for the last 10 years. And have worked with various institutions like Rao's IAS, Vajiram, Insights Academy, etc. And with my own experience and experience of others, it gives me immense gratitude. Actually, I feel a sense of gratitude for having been in this profession, because it's a test of character and day in and day out, not only for the students but also for us teachers, because that is what UPSC is testing. So that is what is making me a teacher in this space, and I'm glad that I'm doing this. The first step they should take is, the exam is about reading and processing and not audio visual. Learning in audio visual is not a suitable medium for this exam, and time and again UPSC has proved that. Unfortunately, what has happened is most of the institutes, even if you have researched, they are going behind the business, and therefore the overall quality of value itself has come down. The value the industry is offering itself has come down significantly, and that is what we have to offer. Although the results are going to be, it's going to take some time, but fundamentally this is not an industry so to speak. We are teaching actually, so we have to just focus on what value we are creating, and the numbers will take care of itself. If you are sending your child to a school, you want the school which is selling you or actually giving value to his child. As simple as that.